Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I have a super simple, quick and easy Ibotta $5 money maker. No purchases necessary, and you don't even have to leave your house. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Now, like I said, this is an Ibotta Rebate app deal, so if you're not already signed up for Ibotta, you're going to need to download the Ibotta app and sign up. Now, I have been using Ibotta for years, and I highly recommend it because I have literally saved thousands of dollars just by using this one rebate app. So if you're not already signed up, my referral code is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below if you want to use it. Alright, so the first thing that you need to do is open up your Ibotta app and type into the search bar Exxon. You're going to see a screen just like I have pictured right here. You have retailers, Exxon Mobil, and then offers. So right there on the offers, it says $5 back for Exxon Mobil. You must click shop. So the next step is pretty self-explanatory. You want to go ahead and click on that $5 offer. And then that's going to bring up a couple of screens like this right here, and it's going to show you the $5 offer plus all of the details that you need to know in order to get your cash back. So here are the details for this offer. It says get cash back when you sign up for a rewards plus basic account at Exxon Mobil when you shop with Ibotta. How to get your cash back? Tap on shop from Ibotta to launch the Exxon Mobil website, sign up for a rewards plus basic account, and get cash back within 7 days. Now, just a quick side note, I am working on a video finding the best ways that we can save money on gas prices right now, because y'all know those prices are absolutely ridiculous, and it's probably not going to get any better anytime soon. So I've been doing my research, and that's kind of what led me to this offer. Now, with that being said, I have not tried the Exxon Mobil Rewards Plus program yet, but I will be adding this to that video, and I'll give y'all an update on how everything goes when I get that video done. So back to this offer, like it says, all you have to do is tap on the word shop, and that is going to take you to the Exxon Mobil website. Then you're going to sign up for a rewards plus basic account. It took me straight to the sign up page, and it only took me a couple of seconds to enter in my information. The only thing that it asks for is your email, your first and last name, and your phone number. Now, I do want to say this is all completely free. You don't have to enter in any credit cards or debit cards or anything like that. All I had to do was enter my email, my first and last name, and my phone number, and then ta-da, you're done. So you are done signing up, but while we're here, let's go ahead and check out this Exxon Mobil Rewards program. That way we can go ahead and start using it and saving money on gas. Now, like I said, I haven't tried this out myself yet, but I will be, and I will give y'all an update in that video on the best ways to save money on gas. But their website states that as an Exxon Mobil Rewards Plus member, our fuel rewards program will save you at least 3 cents per gallon at the fuel pump and 2 cents per dollar spent in store on snacks and more. So from what I've gathered, Exxon Mobil Rewards is kind of like a point system similar to Fetch Rewards, right? So 100 points is the equivalent of $1. So here it says all members earn 3 cents in points per gallon at the pump. And all members earn 2 cents in points per dollar at the store. And then they have some other perks like earn double points on premium fuel when you fill up with 8+ gallons at least 3 times a month. So, like I said, 100 points equals $1 in savings. Plus, they also have bonus offers to earn even more points. So here's a couple of examples, but definitely check it out because there were other ones included. We have earned 100 points on your purchase of 2 or more 16-ounce AMP energy drinks, earned 75 points on your purchase of 2 or more vitamin waters, and earned 60 points on your purchase of 2 or more 7-Up A&W Sunkissed 20-ounce drinks. Now, underneath the bonus offers in the small print, it does say that these offers expire on March 31st, 2022. So I am guessing that they have new bonus offers each month, but we'll have to check back in April to find out. So now that we know a couple different ways that we can earn points and save money at the gas pump, we need to find out, hey, how do we redeem this cash, right? So it is pretty straightforward and simple. The only thing that you need to do to redeem your points is to enter your phone number at checkout. Now, you can also get a rewards card and swipe your card at checkout to redeem your points. Or you can also download the Exxon Mobil app and sign in, and then you can use your app to check out. Now, if you're like me and you're interested in having a physical rewards card sent to you in the mail, all you have to do is go into your account settings. There was a little button there that said sign up to receive your card in the mail. Click on that and enter in your mailing information, and then bam, you'll see a screen like this. It says success. You are all set to receive your new Exxon Mobil Rewards loyalty card in the mail. Alright guys, so there you have it. That is all the information that I have for y'all so far. Again, just to get the $5 cashback offer, all you have to do is open up Ibotta, search for Exxon, click on that $5 back offer, click on shop, sign up for the rewards program, and then bam, you are done. You will receive $5 cash back. Now, I do want to say that this offer took a couple of hours to show up in my earnings history. Now, I have not received the $5 back yet, but it does say $5 pending, okay? So it can take up to 7 days to process this deal. Since it is an online deal, those typically take a little bit longer, but you can see that the amount is pending and it should be good to go within 7 days. Now, again, if you guys are not already signed up for Ibotta, I wanted to go ahead and mention that I do have a video on how to sign up and use Ibotta, and that is linked in the description box down below. Now, it is an older video, and I definitely need to update it, but it does go over the basics of how to sign up and use the Ibotta app. And like I said before, I love Ibotta. I highly recommend it. I've been using it for years now and have saved thousands of dollars. So I don't think that y'all can go wrong, and I definitely want you guys to sign up and get this free $5 offer. Now, before y'all go, I do want to say that this video is not sponsored by Ibotta or Exxon Mobil. If you use my referral code for Ibotta, I do make a small commission on that, but they are not sponsoring this video. I was just simply doing some research, trying to find some different ways that we could save on gas prices, and stumbled upon this deal, and I wanted to share it with y'all because, hey, who doesn't need an extra $5, right? So that is it for me for now, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys can get in on this deal. But before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Also, please hit that thumbs up button because it is a free way and a big way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.